Hello ladies and gents, welcome to Vape and Juice 101, and today we're going to be changing the coil for the Cleito 120. Now there's also another version of the Cleito, there's the Cleito Pro and the original Cleito. Changing the coils in these is pretty much the same, so I will talk you through it, and here we go. So you've used this tank before, obviously, if you're watching this, so you know about unscrewing the top cap to fill it up. So there's your top filler cap, which is stuck. Now I've got it. So you've also got another little cap on the top there. So what you need to do is you unscrew this piece. You need to do this with an empty tank because you have to remove the glass tank. So what you do is there's a rubber O-ring that the tank is connected to. You just lift the tank off of there, put it on the side, take your coil and unscrew it from the base. You throw that away and then you get a new one, as if by magic. Then you screw that back onto the base. Try and do it professionally. And then what you need to do is prime your coil up, and all that means is you put some juices. You can see down the side you've got little slits with the cotton wool soaking through. So you prime up your coil by dropping juice on there until it soaks through. Then you take your glass tank, place it back onto the rubber O-ring. It will hold, don't worry. Then you take your top cap, screw that back on, fill up your tank with juice, pop your filler cap back on, there you go. And with these I would recommend leaving it stand for about 10 to 15 minutes because there's a lot of cotton in there. The cotton's very thick and very dense, so you need that time for it to soak through. Once that's done, pop it back onto your mod, fire it up, and you're ready to go. And that's it. Changing the coil on the Cleito 120. As I said, the other Cleitos in the range, you've got the original Cleito and the Cleito Pro. They're all the same way. You have to prise the glass off to change the coil, and you have to do it with an empty tank with these, unfortunately. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more of our videos, hit the notification bell below. We've been vapeandjuice.com. See you again soon.